run though. Hey, y'all ready? I do not care. I'm finna run up there with the air horn, John. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Hey, bro. Got the air horn with it. Oh, I got this air horn. It's like air horn. I don't know. This ain't yours? Oh, alright. Alright. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. They got big ass dogs, bro. I'm scared as hell. That big ass dog, bro. Where? There, start speaking out the camera. Let's see if we found it. We found it upside down. That's a good dog. Hey, excuse me. We found fire car, you know, like over there. Oh my god! Oh my god! It was like right over there. Oh my god!
Wait, what are you trying to do?
Oh no, bro.
It wasn't by my car.
It was though. It rolled over there.
Okay, what are you
There
trying
was
to do?
something
What do you
like.
mean?
Walk through his yard.
How do you feel after that? You still black?
No, I'm gonna hit it right quick.
Alright, bro, hit that shit right quick.
Yeah, hey, we hit the 3-pointer.
Too fresh with it. Alright, we're gonna end the video here. See you guys later, and peace out.